Akshay here is about to propose.
Hi Samta, the whole family is here and already accepted you as a daughter. Come over, get married to Akshay.
Now we are really waiting, and Malhotra family is incomplete without you.
हाँ समता प्लीज शादी कर ले यार, मुझे कोई और पार्टनर चाहिए लड़ने के लिए, मैं बोर हो गई हूँ अक्षर से.
No exchanges, no returns.
Akshay's getting married very soon. Akshay and his wife, oh they are beautiful, and they will sing forever, and they'll be happy forever. Bless Akshay and his beautiful bride. Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Akku and Samta.
Akshay and Samta, a decade has passed. Unbelievable. And it's passed off just like a jiffy. It just seems like yesterday that we were all together and doing the fairas and enjoying ourselves. Beta, both of you has made us so happy, so contented and so proud. You've done what you wanted, you're on your journey, and you've given us a bundle of joy in Veera, and another angel is coming our way next month. We are so happy for both of you, and we are happy that the whole family is together.
We are so excited for the new angel. We are waiting for that, and God bless you. Stay happy.
And have a very, very long and happy life, full of health, full of joy, full of prosperity and full of achievement. So proud of you, beta. All the best.
Sabda, hi Akshay.
Hi Akshay and Samta, happy anniversary. Can't believe it's been 10 years. We were just talking about our fondest memories with you all. I think mine started with the party we did, Samta, with you and your friends in Bombay. That was the first time I had that much fun in a party, and you've made life that much fun. It's your just the fun that you bring with you. So thank you for that. And since then, I think we've partied in a lot of cities: Bombay, New York, New Jersey, Danville, Syracuse, and we hope the next decades will also take us all to many different places and create lots of memories. So congratulations and lots of love.
Oh, last time maybe the extra took it. So, but yeah, but for the bucket list, I have an idea. We should do the Khanna Eye Center style parties, like Samta doing somersaults, Noor, Arnav crying, we getting engaged in the elevator, all that stuff for once again in Danville. So we need to get all the East Delhi gang to Danville and celebrate together. Happy anniversary, guys.
Hello, Akshay and Samta. God bless you with very wonderful things. And what we wish is that not only should you grow in your stature, in your careers, and also, since there is an insistence on bucket list, visit all the secret places which are very not very well known to the tourists to visit all these, isn't it?
Very happy anniversary to both of you. God bless you. May all the wishes that you have in your bucket list be fulfilled. And God bless you, and I love you. We love you a lot, and we miss you a lot. Have a great day.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary to gorgeous couple, Akku and Samta. May God bless you both, beta.
हमने आपकी शादी में इतना एंजॉय किया था. I think we want to relive those moments. और आप जल्दी से आओ with a new addition in the family. और फिर हम आपका ये दिन फिर अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करना चाहेंगे. Dolly और ऐश्वर्य, please get ready and do all the तैयारी. जैसे जितने मज़े से तब तैयारी की थी उतने मज़े से फिर से इनकी सेलिब्रेशन की तैयारी करते हैं। और अक्कू, सब आपके लिए एक बकेट लिस्ट दे रहे हैं, पर मैं आपको एक सिंपल सी बात कहूँगी, अभी आप एक गाना गा के सुना दो समता को, बहुत मज़ा आएगा।
Oh.
That would be great.
Hi, Akku and Samta. Loads and loads of wishes and dhero duaएं, as Dr. Lamba would say, for a decade of togetherness. My God, I can't believe you guys have been married for 10 years. Do you? Do you believe, Dada? Bacha's married for 10 years?
Not at all, not at all.
Oh, goodness. And
Looks as if it was just yesterday that we had gone to Shangri-La for this shadi.
Shangri-La for your shadi, and listening into all the shloks in Sanskrit and all the fun that we had, and there were very few people who were sitting around for the fairas to be over. So loads and loads of wishes, bacha log. Okay, only one thing from my side. Happy anniversary in just a while. Only one thing from my side in the bucket list, and then Dada can add his own. Only one item. Akku and Samta, get on a DTC busy and take a ride in Delhi. Because when Akku was a small baby, that's what he would do. He would stand and watch and count all the buses going by, and that has to be in your bucket list, with of course the bachus with you, but for the moment only the two of you. You want to add anything for their bucket list, Dada?
Yes, yes. So, of course, this is a small one, but the big one could be that you could do the Nile cruise and visit Petra in Jordan. Do that, and of course, if you're not following Trav Bell, the bucket list man, must follow him.
So loads and loads of love from all of us. R, and Milo.
Happy anniversary, Akshay Bhaiya and Samda Bhabhi. Party hard, stay safe and enjoy.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। क्या पार्टी एंजॉय करो, मोती वाला इंश्योरेंस पे आओ, डायमंड खरीदो और फिर मैरी एनिवर्सरी मनाओ, ऐसे थोड़ा होता है।
Wishing you a very happy anniversary, Akshay and Samta.
A gorgeous, lovely couple. Happy anniversary to both of you. Many more years of togetherness. And here we are wishing you from all of us. And we want you to plan a date night as a couple. So go for it before the new one arrive. And once again,
A very happy anniversary from all of us.
and love to Veera. And we are eagerly waiting for the little one. Love from all of us. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Akshay and Samta.
Happy anniversary, guys.
So, on your bucket list, you need to go skydiving together.
Go to Sky Zone. It's a very fun place. You get to trampoline everywhere.
You need to go to London and then do your nails in the lobby and then go to the cafe next door and drink hot coffee and gelato.
I got one. You need to go to London, go to a restaurant called Pub on Thames, and have fish and chips with a glass of wine. You gotta put that on your bucket list.
So, we gave you 4 options of what to do on your anniversary. Enjoy. We love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Happy anniversary, Akshay Bhaiya and Samta Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary,
Hope you have a great, great day.
and hope you have a life of togetherness and love. And the bucket list for you is to go for scuba diving if you haven't.
Yes, scuba diving together or snorkeling. Yay!
Woohoo!
Hi Samta and Akshay, wish you a very very happy anniversary with lot of love, luck always, and have fun guys. Enjoy your day.
Hi Akshay Bhaiya, Samta Bhabhi. Happy anniversary. Can't wait to see you soon. Happy anniversary, guys.
Happy anniversary, Akshay and Samta. God bless you.
Wishing a very happy anniversary to a perfect couple. Have a perfect day. Love you guys.
Hi Akshay and Samta Bhabhi. First of all, congratulations for your 10th wedding anniversary and about the new addition in the family. Also, I hope you guys have an amazing time. We really wish to see you in India very soon. and have an amazing one. Bye. Lots of love.
अच्छा, hellos the beautiful the peoples. सबसे पहले I really want to apologize from the bottom of my heart. एक second. Actually you're a bit high, but anyway, I really want to apologize कि 10 साल पहले I was not able to attend your wedding. But जो भी है, जो हुआ सो हुआ. Anyway, wish you guys a very very happy wedding anniversary to the both of you. अब तेरी बारी बोल.
Happy anniversary, Akshay and Samta. You guys really form an ideal couple, and we have been trying our best to follow your footsteps.
सही में?
हाँ, सही में, actually में. And I am eagerly looking forward to meet the both of you, our darling Veera and +1. Say the bucket list.
वाह.
Yes, of course.
अच्छा bucket list यार, bucket list is all सब मोह माया. मतलब उस सब में बिलीव मत करो. मतलब just enjoy every single day that you live. अब यार मैं थोड़ा बुढ़ा हो गया तो मैं ऐसी लाइन नहीं बोलूँगा.
हाँ, तो नहीं बुढ़ा.
हाँ ठीक है ना. But one thing is a must, that is please visit us over here.
We are eagerly waiting.
We really look forward to look forward to enjoying your company. And finally, Akshay bhai, huge congratulations. Injection लग गया. अब तुम सुपर हीरो बन चुके हो. All the best. Enjoy.
All the best. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.